Okay, so it asks what percent of his or her time does the average student spend sleeping? And in a 24-hour day, how many hours would that be? So the percent time sleeping, I can just see is 33%. And I know that 33% is about one third, right? 33.3 repeating would be one third. So I can say that one third of 24 hours is 8, which means that the average person would spend about 8 hours sleeping. Okay. Then B asks how many hours per day does the average student spend in school? And I see that here the average student spends 25% of their time in school. And I can do that in two ways. One is the same thing where I can say that 25% is one fourth. And if it's one fourth, then I can do one fourth of 24 to get my 6 hours. Or if it wasn't easy to change to a fraction, I could also do 24 times, to make it obvious, 25% as a decimal. 25% as a decimal is 0.25. So I can do 24 times 0.25. And feel free to do that on a calculator if you like to get that will also get me 6 hours. So remember in general that percent is a number over 100. So 25% would be 25 over 100 because percent means per 100. So to get the decimal value, you can take your percent and write it like that. 25% would be 25 out of 100. If I do 25 divided by 100, I get the 0.25 or 25 hundredths. Okay. In a 24-hour day, how much more time does an average student use for free time than for doing homework? So I know that homework is 9% and free time is 17%. So I am doing free time 8% more than the homework, and 8% is the same as 8 over 100, which is 8 hundredths, or we say that is, that's supposed to be decimal point, 0.08. And then I can take 0.08 times 24, which is 1.92. Let's erase this. Whoops. So 1.92 hours. And feel free to, type your 0.08 times 24 into a calculator to make sure that you are calculating right. That's fine.